hat, okay? Esperanza, put your hat back on. Esperanza, put the hat back on. Yeah. What? Come on. Do this, Esperanza, do this. Esperanza, do this. This. Two up. Like that.
Erika, just do you. Tita, how do you get in there? Are you taking a picture?
No.
You guys are dorks. You're dorks. Picture perfect moment right there.
No, I'm recording them.
Instead of taking a picture, you should
I did. I did take a picture already.
Of us all four together.
Yeah.